In this video, I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels. Let's launch the YouTube app. Suppose I don't like this particular type of content, so how do I remove it from recommendations? Tap on this three-dot icon. In the pop-up menu, you can see an option called Not Interested. If I tap on it, YouTube will filter out this type of content from the Explore page in the future. Now, if you don't want to watch any content from this particular channel, tap on the three-dot icon again. This time, tap on Don't Recommend Channel. Now, YouTube will completely remove this channel from my Explore page. But you should know that though this channel will be removed from your recommendations page, it will still appear when searching for similar content. Apart from the report option here, you can completely hide this channel from your content also. For this, go to your preferred channel. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot icon. Here, you can see an option called Hide User from My Channel. If I tap on this, any comment or reply from this channel to your content will be hidden. Unfortunately, YouTube still doesn't have the option for completely blocking any channel, so for now we have to make do with these workarounds instead.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.